Hi, this is James from iGlobe, and I am going to show you how to use iGlobe CRM, a Microsoft 365 app. Before doing this, make sure that the app is deployed and secured on your Microsoft 365 by a global Microsoft 365 administrator. A quick note on security and compliance. iGlobe CRM is a Microsoft certified app and is therefore safe to deploy on your Microsoft 365. Feel free to contact us if you want to learn more about the Microsoft 365 App Compliance Program. iGlobe CRM runs on all devices connected to a Microsoft 365 account. In this user guide, we will use the browser version of your Microsoft 365, but everything works the same on all other platforms, as well as on your desktop client. Are you ready? Let's get started. In this video, we are going to have a look at how you can customize your dashboard. In case you want to personalize your company's dashboard, you have to go to the Admin Center and select Administration. Then you have to click on UI, and you are going to see your current dashboard. You can select any web parts in the block on the bottom left side of the window. Simply drag and drop them to the dashboard. Once you are done with that, select your preferred settings, such as the title and the height. You can easily choose how and where you want to view your selected web part in the Location block. Lastly, click on Apply and your new dashboard is ready. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the other parts of the user guide. If you need further help, don't hesitate to contact us. Find more useful links in the description below, and I will see you in other iGlobe videos. Bye!